To Form 1 Mathematics. The topic is linear equations. This question here, learners, was tested in KCSE some time back. Let us look at it. We are told that 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. In 2 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 62. Determine their present ages. Learner, let us look at it. 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. So what you do in such a problem, you just come and draw 3 columns. Like that. 3 columns. Like that. Here, you write a past. Or it means ago, those years that have passed. Then here you write present or today. Here you are talking about the future. You normally make 3 columns. Then you go now to your first sentence, learner. It will tell you where to go in this table. You are told 3 years ago. So that is past tense. So you come here. 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. So you start with this column. Here you write Juma and here you write Ali. So you are told 3 years ago, Juma was 3 times as old as Ali. So you say, let Ali be X 3 years ago. Let Juma be 3X because he is thrice as old as Ali. And therefore, here you can even indicate that this was 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So learner, after writing that, you ask yourself, if 3 years ago these were their ages, then what is the age of Ali? To go to the present, you add the 3 years. So Ali today, therefore, he has gained 3 years. He is X plus 3. The same case to Juma. Juma, 3 years ago, he was X years. So today, you add the 3 years. So today, these are their present ages. Then, we go to the next sentence here. You are told in 2 years' time, so we are now in the future. In 2 years' time, the sum of their ages will be 62. In 2 years' time, you come and fix your time here. In 2 years' time, the sum of their ages, if you added their ages, you'd get 62. So you come here and ask yourself, today, this is the age of Juma. So in 2 years' time, he will have gained 2. So you talk of 3x plus 3 for today, then you add the 2. So you get 3x plus what? Plus 5. So Juma, in future, he will be this old. Okay, we go to Ali. We do the same thing. In 2 years' time, if today is this old, he'll have gained 2 years. So you talk of x plus 3 plus what? Plus 2. So Ali is X plus 5 years today. And then we are told that their ages add up to 62. So you come and say 3x plus 5. X plus 5 gives us what? 62. You bring the like terms together. This gives you 4x plus what? Plus 10 is equals to 62. And so this is 4x is equals to 62. Take this to the other side, you subtract. 4x, learner, is equals to 52. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And therefore, x is what? 13. So, learner, the question is, determine their present ages. What are their present ages? So we start with Ali. Today from the table, Ali is X plus 3. And therefore it means you just substitute your 13 here. That is 13 plus 3 gives you 16 years. So today Ali is that old. You go to Juma, learner. Today Juma is 3x plus 3. So you come and write it here, 3x plus 3. You substitute your 13 here. So you talk of 13 plus 3. This gives you what? This is 39 plus 3, which gives you 42 years old. So those are of their present ages. There is another one that I did to do with such a question, to do with age. So practice also on this one, learner. I wish you all the best in mathematics. Bye-bye.